Hello everyone. If you have muffin tin laying around somewhere in your kitchen, bring it out. Let's make these soft, amazing buns together. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. We will start by adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl, that is 300 grams. 1/4 cup of sugar, 5.5 gram of instant dry yeast, and a pinch of salt. Then we mix together. Next, we add 1 egg. After that, we add 1/4 cup of warm water and 60 ml of warm milk. It's time to knead the dough. For this part, you can either use a stand mixer or you can knead with your hands. We will knead on medium for 3 minutes. After that, we add 30 grams of unsalted butter. Then, we knead on high for 15 minutes or until the dough is smooth and stretchy, like this. Shape the dough into a ball like so, and after that, cover your bowl with cling film and place in a warm area for the dough to double in size. This usually takes about 1 to 2 hours depending on the temperature of your area. After the dough has doubled, take out the cling film and deflect the dough. Now for the fun part, get your muffin tin and gently brush with vegetable oil. After that, you cut small dough and mold into a ball, then transfer to the muffin tins. Repeat the process until you have exhausted all the dough. The dough usually forms 12 equal balls. After that, cover the dough with a cling film and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it should look like this. Take out the cling film and bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at how beautiful it looks. After baking, yours should look like this. And then for extra shine, we are going to brush with butter. This is totally optional, but it elevates the beauty of the buns. Please, I would really appreciate it if you could kindly support my channel by subscribing, commenting and liking, and also sharing the video to your loved ones. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this recipe at home. I would also love to read about your questions, about your suggestions and your recommendations. This buns is perfect for your everyday breakfast and it pairs well with other meals. If you have a busy morning, you will just grab it with your cup of coffee or any beverage of your choice and be on your way. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.